Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we are going to make a lovely sort of enhancement in our system. Uh, I hope that every one of you would like it to have it. This is a this is called actually drill down effect, building a drill down effect in ourselves. Uh, that is used to get the breakup of some figure, that is used to get further details of, or read more sort of things, right? So, so that is required where. So let's first focus on the sale on the for the purchase order. We are working on is, for example, let's go to the purchase order here. And in the purchase order, and we are focusing for purchase order number 14, right? Press enter. Okay, this purchase order number 14 has all the supplier details, has all the, we have made some test data in it, that $200 for the shipment fees, right? And $50 for tax and $100 for some other things. The details of these are in the notes, right? These are the notes which are there. So, in order to get to the excess of, for example, shipment fee, yeah, you got to double click on it, right? What it does, it opens the note in the same. This is the single window. It is doing multiple jobs. Like whenever clicked on the shipment fee, it is going to tell you who was the driver, what was the vehicle number, where was it delivered, what was the purchase order number, and what was the date and the date of the delivery, right? And if any remarks is made, some breakage or whatever the things, or you can have multiple details in this way. So whatever is written in here, it is going to be shown here, right? Similarly, $50 was tax. So what? How was that? What was the in tax invoice? So double click it. Right. So it replaces the existing with the text detail, because you have double clicked here, right? $50, and this was in tax invoice number, purchase order number, purchase order date, supplier, and this. So these are the breakup. This is the drill down sort of things which are kept separately in the text files, and how would that be done? We will see it when we create a new purchase order, then we will show you, right? For the moment, we have created the structure in which these things and breakups and drill down information is managed in terms of where, and they are given the file names, right? Text file names, or this text file. So for this, you have to have a folder. So wherever is your this main file is located, it is going to create a folder called notes. And in the notes, if I show you here in the notes, for example, this is our folder, and in here we have a notes folder. Let's press N. Yeah, it will take you to the notes. And in the notes, you have all the means. So these are not two, well, 3, 400, 5,000, whatever. So these will be a numbered files, and these files are linked uh, to your form. Whenever you click on it, it opens it and shows you the contents of these files, right? So this is a wonderful idea for the developers, that they can build up some external linkages and link them to your uh, form, yeah, user form, and it will keep on showing you this because this is a further extension of the things which are you are not the advantage of doing this is that all this information is kept outside the database, hence reducing the load over the database, and uh, and these files, file number, in the database you have only the file number. I show you, right? Let's go to the purchase order header. In the header, you have this purchase order number, yeah, and this is the test data we have written, which the form has managed to show you. Okay, the 200 was the shipping fees, 50 was for the taxes, and and 100 was this. So what is and giving this it is showing it, right? But how it is hooked up with the text files in the notes folder. So these are the names. These are the file and codes. So the system is going to go to the sub folder that is notes, and it is going to open. If you click on the shipment fees, it will be selected from here, and this name is going to be selected. If you want details of text, these one. This we will do, uh, yet to do means we will show you from scratch how to create a file and hook it up when as you have done this, right? So this will be covered in our next video. So stay tuned to our channel. Thank you very much for your support. I look forward to your participation, your joining us in our next upcoming video. Thank you very much.